Alright guys, today we're going to do the Rubik's Cube row by row. First we look at the top. I like to always have the white on the top, so let's try to see what we can put together. So we have one that is white and green, so we're going to try to find the other corner that is white and green. So we have two whites and green, so the next thing we're looking for is a white and red. So the other white and red is going to be over here. I'm going to move it so that we have the other white and red, and now we're looking for a white and blue. The white and blue is going to be somewhere. It's actually where it's supposed to be, but in the wrong spot, so we're going to move it around, and now we have the white and blue. So we have all four corners, so now we just need to get the middles. We're going to do that by moving these. We got the white and blue. We're going to do the white and green next. We have the green. Now we're looking for the orange. We're going to put the orange where it's supposed to go. And then we're looking for the last one, which is right here, the red. So we do the white and red, line it up, and we have the first row done. Then we set it up to do the second row. To do this, we look at the bottom, and looking at the bottom, we're going to look for something that's not yellow. So we have this red. The red goes with the green here, just like that. So we're going to put it here, move the middle down, and we're going to keep going all the way around, and we're going to put it back. So there's one. We can do the orange and green next by simply moving 1, 2, 3, and then back. Okay, so lastly we're going to look for the orange and green. We put it where it needs to go. We move it sideways. We continue. And then we have that, and we should have one more to go, and we do. So we're going to put the blue here. We want for this blue and red to go here, so we simply line it up, move it out of the way, down, and down. So now we have rows 1 and rows 2 done. Now we're looking for rows 4. So we can do the corners. I like putting the red and green, the red and blue here. We want the other blue here, so we go down 1, and go clockwise, once to the right, counterclockwise, down, and let's see what we did. It's lined up, and this one's in the wrong spot. This should not be red, it should be green, so we need to move these. So we go 1 to the right, it messes up the middle row by 1. We fix that like so, and now we can look back at our blue. So we can look at the blue and red together. We're going to do just like we did before. Clockwise, right, counterclockwise, back, and let's check out. We have this in the right spot, this, and this. They're not turned, so let's turn them. We go forward, and then 2 turns. Let me do that one more time. And that's lined up. We go to this side, this corner here. It's the same formula. One more time. That's lined up. We do the one next to it. And now we have all 4 corners lined up. So now the only thing you have to do is line up the bottom 4. So we're going to do that by, let's just start by moving the green over. And we'll go the green here once, and up. And let's put the green here. So we can move the blue to the other side here by taking the blue to the right and putting the blue here. And we can put the orange here by moving the orange to the right. And now we have two corners. We're going to get these two by moving the middle to the right once. We're going to keep going twice. We're going to go a third time here. Now we're two main moves away from being done. We got to move the blue over here to the right. And then from there we move the orange over here. And that is the cube.